In today's video, I'm going to show you how to deposit cryptos on Bitmart. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to deposit Bitcoin, but it's basically the same process for any other crypto. So I'm going to show you how to do it in just a few steps. So let's begin. Once you go to Bitmart, this is the screen you will see probably. This is Bitmart main page. And to access your wallet, you need to go here at the top right, then go to Overview. Once you're here, you will see your balance and you will see this option to deposit. So click here and select the coin you want to deposit. In my case, it's Bitcoin. And now you need to choose the network you want. The most common one is the Bitcoin network. So I'm just gonna select it. And now here you have your deposit address. So you can just copy it right here. And now anyone is able to send you Bitcoin through this address. You just need to paste it or send it to whoever you want, or you can also send money to yourself from another wallet, and that's it. You will receive money directly on your Bitcoin wallet. Your recent deposits will appear here. Those are deposits on other currencies, but it's the same thing. It will just say Bitcoin and all the information about the transaction, and your money will appear here. If you go to Assets and Overview, you will be able to see your balance here in your spot wallet. Bitcoin will appear here, and you will be able to see the money. In my case, I don't have Bitcoin. I just have those 3 coins, but that's basically the process. So I hope it was helpful and thanks for watching.